In this video, I'll take a look at the double top and double bottom patterns and how to trade them. So a double top is basically just a place where the market has struggled getting above twice. So an obvious area on this chart would be here. Now notice that it's not two candlesticks I'm talking about, it's two attempts. It does not have to be pip to pip, so the second one was slightly lower, but really not a big deal, as the Canadian dollar seems to have a lot of trouble right around 110.50. So how do you trade this? Well, there's a couple different ways. As soon as you see it fail, you could short it and try to get down to here. Or you can use this area here in what would be known as an M pattern. It's basically the same thing. It just kind of refers to not only the double top, but the support on the way back the second time. You should get the same height. So whatever the height is, basically that, you get that almost immediately. And you can just take it from there. In this particular case, I might have put my stop loss just above here, just because we have seen a little bit of a micro resistance area. So it does make a certain amount of sense that it could come into the picture and offer resistance as well. So if it gets broken, you'd be concerned. Over here in the Australian dollar, here is a double bottom. Again, you could wait to take out this area here, or you could just wait for impulsive movement. If you do wait to take out this area here, then it's a W pattern for the same reasons that we mentioned in the M pattern. There's your height from that, and there's your target. Where would I put my stop loss? In this case, I would have put it on the last swing low. Nonetheless, no matter how you choose to trade it, these signals are great and they're important because they tell you where price does not want to go. And quite frankly, sometimes that's almost as important as where you think it's going to go. Double top, triple top, quadruple top, these all show signs of hesitation. And those signs of hesitation are things you should be taking advantage of. Very simple pattern, happens on all time frames, but it's probably worth noting that it's more important on the higher time frames because it takes more to make that happen. So keep that in mind. Either way, play around with it. Take a look. You see them all the time. There's a little bit of a double bottom as well. It does not break significantly higher, but on this impulsive candlestick, you could have expected a move maybe back to here, like I said previously in the video. But if you break that, then things get really interesting if you can get any type of follow through.